Today I'm going to show you how to paint a sunflower. I will use sharp round brush for drawing the sunflower petals. You can see in the video the position of the petals. Yeah, okay. And then we will draw the center of the sunflower. Use the same brush and use dark brown color. Just make a lot dot around the center and keep changing the color from dark brown to light brown. After you finish drawing the center of the sunflower, you can merge all the layers and then duplicate it. After that, rotate it. For making more petal, I keep duplicate 3 times and rotate. Now it looks good. It looks more like the sunflower. And then create a new layer and make more pattern on the petals by drawing the lines on each petals. Next, we will use water blender brush to blend the color at the base of each petals. Okay, and merge the layer at the bottom and duplicate it. We want to make more petals. Yes, beautiful now. And then merge the layer. After that, we use water blender brush to blend the color at the base of the petals that overlaps. And create a new layer. And put on the center, use light brown color. After that, create a new layer. Add dark red lines on the petals, so make it look more interesting. Next, create a new layer. We will add more black dot at the center of the sunflower. And again, we will add more black dot at the edge of the center. And then we will use water blender to blend the color at the center again. And then add more dot at the edge between the center and the petals. And then we will make different lights on the sunflower by adjust saturation and brightness. After you finish painting the sunflower, we will make a new background by using Sketch apps. They have a lot of paper to customize. I select wood paper. Set sunflower canvas to darker. And then it finished.